Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you Samsung Smart TV enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive into the world of service mode and show you how to activate it on your Samsung Smart TV. But before we begin, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Remote control. The first step to accessing service mode is using your Samsung TV remote control. Make sure you have it handy because we'll be using some specific button combinations. Step 2. Power on. Ensure your TV is powered on. This process won't work if your TV is turned off, so press that power button if you haven't already. Step 3. Accessing service menu. Now, on your remote control, press the following buttons in quick succession: mute, 1, 8, 2, and power. This should be done relatively quickly, so don't hesitate. If successful, your TV will power off and then back on, entering service mode. Step 4. Navigating service menu. Once in service mode, be careful with what you do. You'll see a new menu with various options. Navigate through the menu using the arrow keys on your remote and select the settings you want to explore. However, be cautious and avoid changing values unless you know exactly what they do. Step 5. Exiting service mode. When you're done exploring or making adjustments, press the power button to turn off your TV. This will exit the service mode and return your TV to normal operation. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide on how to activate service mode on your Samsung Smart TV. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so only tweak settings if you're confident in what you're doing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, this is Tony from Smart 4 Home, signing off. Happy exploring.